of the Palestine belongs to Palestinians, and Palestinians are Muslims, Jewish, and Christians. The original people, indigenous people of the Palestine, they should make the decision. If they are migrated by force, they should come back to their country. Those who are immigrated to Palestine, they should go back, which they are not officially, they are not, indigenously as Palestinians. They should go back. They should not make decision for Palestinian people and the territory of the Palestine. Do you accept anybody except Uganda to make decision for your country? No. We will also not accept anybody except Iranian to make decision for the country. Therefore, the main subject regarding the two-state solution is that Israelis will not implement that agreement between two sides. Therefore, why should one side to be, to stay for a hope whether this will happen or not? But from outside, while Palestinians are trying to reach to the right, we will support them as the Islamic Revolution and Islamic Republic of Iran. Because of our constitution, within 50 days, the new government will be established. The new president will be selected. The current first vice president of the Islamic Republic of Iran, by ratification by Supreme Leader, is acting president and will manage the government. And even now we have acting foreign minister. Exactly a day after which everything was finished and it was ratified that these officials are martyred. This happened by order by president first and then by decision made by the government. We have the acting president and acting foreign minister. On 28th June, we will have presidential election in our country. It means it is even before 50 days. Within 40 days, we will have the election, and then the new government would be established. This is what we have in our constitution. And regarding the bilateral relation with Uganda, we as Embassy of the Islamic Republic of Iran will follow everything which we have agreed with the Ugandan government before. And even yesterday I mentioned in my interview with the other medias, I have emphasized in this case, and I have assured the President Museveni that we will follow what we have agreed already, and the new government of Iran, which hopefully will be established soon, will follow what we have agreed with the government of Uganda and what was, ordered by President Raisi to do in relation between Iran and Uganda. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I told his hard work and tirelessness in serving the people was considered one of his distinction and prominent points. He always introduced himself as the servant of the people, not president. Last year we saw his warm presence in Uganda, who performed good programs despite the limited time he had. His warm and good relationship with President Museveni is public and special. During his tenure, he constantly traveled to the provinces and cities of Iran and closely examined the problems of the people and issued the necessary orders to solve them. He was so busy serving the people around the clock that he did not know rest at all, and his very short breaks were either on the plane and on the way to serve the people, or he went home at the end of the night and very early in the morning to serve the people. He would show up at his workplace. It can be safely said that he did not rest more than 2 to 3 hours a day. With his round the clock and sincere efforts, he brought the Islamic Republic of Iran into the multipolar system, and his heroic resistance against Zionism and American imperialism in unforgettable. Unfortunately, on Sunday morning, along with the Minister of Foreign Affairs and some of his colleagues, he went to the border 0 point, the border with Azerbaijan, and together with the President of Azerbaijan, they opened a common water dam between the two neighboring countries, Iran and Azerbaijan. Then he went to Tabriz by helicopter to open other projects to serve the people. But due to the bad weather in that area, his helicopter had an accident and crashed, and all its passengers were martyred. That area is mountainous and forested and has cloudy, rainy and very unstable weather. Many heads of countries and international organizations have sent messages of condolence to the people of Iran, condoled his martyrdom and paid tribute to him. Also, many of them expressed their condolences to the people of Iran by attending the embassies of the Islamic Republic of Iran in different countries. Also, many of them or their representatives have traveled to Iran to participate in his memorial ceremony. In Uganda, the Mufti, the Minister of Kampala, and many ambassadors of the countries expressed their sympathy with the Iranian people by attending the embassy of the Islamic Republic of Iran, even today, President Museveni, inshallah. In addition to Iran, which declared 5 days of public mourning on the occasion of his martyrdom. Some other countries also declared public mourning in their countries due to their interest in him, like Syria 3 days, Lebanon 3 days, Tajikistan 2 days, Iraq, Turkey, India, and Pakistan 1 day. We ask the Almighty God to gather his pure soul and all the martyrs with their parents and friends and increase their ranks. Thank you very much, and also thank you for listening.